Hi guys, I'm Wei. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you the problem with men. Every man have the same problem. There is money problem. They have too much money to put in their wallet and their wallet got so bulky, the wallet got spoiled. Maybe some people put too many cards, unnecessary cards, so the wallet got spoiled. So I have a few wallets here to show you. This is a wallet from Fossil. I'm not quite sure whether it was genuine or not because it was a gift from a friend. You can see the texture of the leather is very bad. Some of it already peeled off and the inside is also not very good condition. See, this is from my university time, a long time ago. The other one I have here is Arrow. The texture looks still okay, overall appearance still look okay, but it feels kind of hard. And the one I'm still using is Braun Buffel. This is a gift from my wife and we bought it at the retail outlet. So it's definitely genuine. It was around 400 plus and the color is orange, so I quite like it. We need to maintain the wallet properly. So I actually went to the boutique. They have a free polishing for the wallet. So I went there and I gave the wallet to them. They said, "Sir, please come back after 45 minutes." So I gave it to them. When I came back after 45 minutes, the wallet looks just the same as before I gave to them. So I thought that maybe I should polish myself. As you can see, this one I have polished it once before, about a year ago. You can see at the edges, it's usually dirty at the edges. But in front, in the inside, it's still okay because the inside is protected. But after for 2 years, I think it's hold up quite well. Being the structure is still soft and hard. This texture is slightly hard compared to other leathers. So I like this Braun Buffel leather very much. The only problem I had was the little buffalo logo always got stuck in the pants. The thread got stuck to the Braun Buffel wallet. So one day I struggled with the buffalo and I won. The whole Braun Buffel logo fell off. Luckily I able to retrieve it and now it's safely inside here. You can see I give the entire space to little buffalo. So today is the time for me to refresh the leather and to clean it, polish it. And for this, I'm going to use the Meguiars polisher. This is actually a very good one. I originally bought this one to polish my car leather seat, but I just found that it's actually very good to polish the leather wallet. So I'm going to try it now. So guys, we are going to start to polish the leather, my Braun Buffel leather, using the Meguiars Gold Class Rich Leather. So before we get started, we should remove every cards and money and not to forget our little buffalo friend inside. Let's put aside, and the cards, whatever things, receipt, and the cash. Wow. Okay, done. So let's get started. And before we do anything, the act of polishing is actually you're using the polish to polish the surface and transferring the mud, the soil, the oily thing, and a little bit of the leather surface onto the dirty cloth. So for this polishing, I suggest that you use a cloth that you will dispose after use. You cannot use it after that. So let's pump a little bit and we're going to polish this area first. So it's a little bit slimy, it's a little bit oily, so let's try it. Look at that, all those dirt from the leather. This Meguiar actually smells good. Look at all those dirt. Can't you already see the difference? Wow, if you can see, look at this, some of it are orange from the leather and some of it are actually the dirt. So you try not to over polish it, that you are taking away from the wallet. So just gently press, make it a circles is better, so that it covers all the surface. Alright, for first look you can already see here, you can still feel, you can actually feel that the surface is very smooth due to those collected dirt and oil. Here you feel there's a little bit of surface because it has already been cleaned. So use a clean area to polish it, and look at that fresh leather. So let's continue to complete all the areas. Pump a little bit more. So for polishing, you do not want to apply too much pressure. Just gently on those smooth surfaces, but you push a little bit more at those edges that's very dirty. Look at this dirt. So you push a little bit more. The spots that are dirty, you focus a little bit more of force on it. If it still doesn't come off over here, put a little bit more. Concentrate on the area over here. Alright, I think that's the best I can do. The surface is actually, it's not dirty, it's already over. The surface already been taken out. Well, what you can say, 2 years old wallet. Yes, you can only save it so much. So the dirty area here is quite apparent. So you apply a little bit more of the conditioner. It looks very good here. So orange. I like this wallet. It's a bit of orange and it's a little bit of red. So let's complete this surface first. Then we continue the other back of the wallet. Alright. There's still a little bit of dirt over here on the top. You can see this side is better, but as it goes towards to the center, there's a little bit dark. Okay, I will try to apply a little bit more. Look at that. Looks like it can still be saved a little bit more. Let's see how much we can save this wallet. Refresh it to the original glory. I think that's all we can do. Can we see the difference? Definitely there's a difference. This is after, this is before. This is before, this is after. Okay, let's continue to the back. Again, same, apply even pressure onto the entire surface. Even pressure. The back definitely looks much better because, well, it's the back. People tend to less use the back. The threads are actually also orange, if you notice it. So after polishing it, you can actually see the threads more obvious. You definitely can feel the leather is better after polishing. Make small circles so that it can cover all areas of the leather. Alright, I am satisfied with this side. It looks very good. Okay, now go to this side. You see that I am applying the polish quite a lot, but I've been using this Meguiar for quite a long time. It's been more than 2 years, this bottle. My first ever Meguiar's bottle until now. Looks good. Now to the center. Okay, let's change sides. This is actually my old handkerchief. Okay, do not press too much. Apply the pressure evenly. Alright, final touch-ups on the edges of it. Well, some of the edges, the leather has already been torn completely, so some part of it cannot be saved. But most part of it, it feels fresh. There you go, at the outer surface. Now to the interior of it. The inside of it actually doesn't feel very bad. Actually still good, just the edges. Now we're almost complete. The final lap at the interior. Wow, this Meguiar really smells good. There you have it. There you have it. Orange. Very orange. Looks good. And if you whether you can tell it's genuine or not, look at the Braun Buffel wallet. Braun Buffel, Germany, genuine wallet. Even at the side you can see the wordings on Braun Buffel, Braun Buffel. Look at all those stitching. Good workmanship. But you pay full price of 400 ringgit at the pavilion Braun Buffel. I would say it's worth it. 2 years, no need to change wallet. Why not? It's good. From those of you who are non-Malaysian, 400 ringgit is about $100 US. Well, it's very cheap for you. To me, it's a wallet that everybody wanted to buy since they were studying. Braun Buffel, Braun Buffel. So when I finally got the first Braun Buffel, I was so excited. When you got it new, you feel excited. After you've been using it, you don't feel excited anymore. Why? Because it feels old. So you should polish the leather yourself to give yourself the feeling of owning your wallet, owning your belonging once again, like it was brand new. That's why I like to clean my wallet by myself. Yes, you can send to those restoration shop, leather restoration shop, like Leather Avenue. No, Leather Avenue, I think they sell leathers. I'm not sure. I think I saw before one. They can replenish the leather for you very well, but it's quite expensive. Maybe 100 over ringgit. This Meguiar, I think is about 70 ringgit, and I can use for 2 years until now. So it's better to invest yourself and do it by yourself. Alright, I think that's it. We are done. New Braun Buffel wallet without the mini buffalo. Maybe I just put in my mini buffalo so they can see it's brand new. Alright, mini buffalo with Meguiar's Gold Rich leather. Alright guys, that's all. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.